The IARC Monographs evaluations follow a 5-step process. Step 1 is to identify relevant studies through literature searches. Step 2 is to screen, select, and organize the studies identified. These 2 steps are carried out by IARC scientists in the Scientific Secretariat. Steps 3 through 5 are carried out by the working group. Study quality is evaluated in Step 3. Study characteristics are reported in Step 4. In Step 5, at an 8-day meeting held in Lyon, the evidence is synthesized, leading to an overall evaluation. The procedures for carrying out the monograph's evaluations are described in the Preamble, which is printed in each monograph volume. The Preamble sets out the steps for participant selection, for management of conflicts of interest, for the meeting organization, and for the evaluation itself. The Preamble was recently updated to put increased emphasis on the transparency and rigor of the systematic review, as well as updated methods for literature searching and screening.